Good morning, students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 4 immunity and blood groups, and today's topic is precautions of blood transfusion. And next is significance of blood group heredity. Once again, today's topic is precautions of blood transfusion, and second is significance of blood group of heredity. First of all, precautions of blood transfusions. First precaution is testing donors blood for the absence of any harmful substance and pathogen. Pathogen means disease causing factors. Once again, first precaution is testing of donors blood for the absence of any harmful substance and pathogens. Pathogen, it means disease causing factors. Some factors are living, some are non-living. So disease causing living factors and disease causing non-living factors. Harmful substance, it means some harmful metals like Hg, like Cd, means cadmium. Second is matching ABO antigen. Students, remember, human blood group is ABO type. Matching ABO antigen and antigen situated on RBC surface. Human's antigen are like antigen A, antigen B, and RH antigen or RH factor. In the blood of the patient and the donor, third is matching the RH factor. It means RH antigen. Students, remember, RH antigen or RH factor situated on RBC surface. It means red blood carpool surface. Second, RH factor or RH antigen described a specific monkey species, Macaca rhesus. Third is matching the RH factor in the blood of donor and the patient. Next is blood collection and transfusion must essentially be carried out in the presence of doctor. Once again, fourth precautions is blood collection. It is a step of blood transfusion, and transfusion, it means blood transfer to one person to another person. It means donor to patient, donor to recipient must essentially be carried out in the presence of doctor. Next is storage of the collected blood in refrigerator, refrigerated conditions. It means collected blood to keep in refrigerator and in specific conditions. Next is in every protecting circumstance and circumstance the collected blood from contamination. Once again, in every circumstance protecting the collecting blood from contamination, it means infected area, infected any organism. So there are some specific precautions of blood transfusions. First of all, matching blood group of patient and donor. Second, matching specific antigen, matching blood group, matching antigen. Next, testing the blood group of especially donor, any harmful substance or pathogen. Next, blood collection and blood transfusion carried out the presence of physicians, means doctors. Next, collected blood stored in refrigerator. Next, in every circumstance, protecting collecting blood from contamination. Next is the following disease can occur due to the carelessness. Once again, the following disease can occur due to the carelessness. First is HTLV, first, and HTLV, seconds. Students, full form of HTLV is human, it means Homo sapiens. T lymphocyte, it is a type of lymphocyte. Students, remember lymphocyte is a type of WBC, but T lymphocyte is type of lymphocyte, lymphotropic virus. Once again, HTLV is a viral disease infect to humans, mostly T lymphocyte cells. Once again, HTLV first and second are viral disease. They infected humans, T lymphocytes, WBC. Second is HIV first and HIV second. Full form of HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Students, HIV first and HIV second is a viral disease related to humans and humans to immune system. It means related to human immunity and become weak. Once again, HIV first and second, they are viral disease. They infected humans immune system. It means human immunity and become weak to human immune system. Next, HIV is a pathogen of AIDS disease. AIDS, full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Once again, HIV first and second, they are viral disease related to human immune system and human immunity. So human immune system become weak. Next, HIV is a pathogen of AIDS disease. Third is hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. Students, remember, hepatic, it is a scientific name of liver. Liver is a largest gland. Once again, hepatic, it is a scientific name of liver. Liver is a largest gland and it is digestive gland. So hepatitis B and hepatitis C are related to liver. It means hepatitis B and C are liver disease. Hepatitis B and hepatitis C are liver disease. Hepatitis B and C are viral disease. So, and liver disease. Next is Jacob disease. Next is Jacob disease, and another name is Creutzfeldt-Jakob. Another name is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Felt Jacob disease. So students, some specific disease, when some specific carelessness during blood transfusion. So humans infected these some specific disease. Once again, humans infected some specific disease when some carelessness during blood transfusion. So today's topic, precautions of blood transfusion, is completed. Next topic is significance of blood group heredity. Students, remember, first of all, heredity term given by Mendel. Second, it means generation to generation. Blood group, it means human have ABO blood group. Mostly 4 type of blood group in humans is blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. It means 4 type of blood group found in humans. Next, it means importance. It means ABO type and 4 type of human blood groups. It means generation to generation, and heredity term given by Mendel's. Students, remember, humans, it means Homo sapiens to have 6 type genotype. First is IA, IB, IAIB, and II. And next, 3 types of alleles in ABO blood group. First of all is IA, second is IB, third is I0. Alleles, it means alternative forms of genes. Next day we studied significance of blood group heredity, some specific applications and significance of blood group heredity is, first is to solve the paternal disputes by blood group. Once again, to solve the paternal disputes. Second, to in the treatment of some specific disease like hemophilia. So next day we start another topic, blood group heredity of significance. So thanks, have a nice day.